I am genuinely scared to post this video because 3 people have already asked me to take it down. And honestly, they might be right. Last Monday at 2 p.m., I used this ChatGPT money-making method that nobody's talking about. And by Friday morning, I had 30 days of content that generated 847 new followers and $8,347 in client inquiries. But here's the thing that's gonna blow your mind. I didn't actually use ChatGPT to do it. Okay, quick thing before we go any further. I am only making part 2 of this if this video hits 8,000 likes by Sunday. And part 2 is where I show you the advanced version that's generating passive income while you sleep. So pause right now, slam that like button, Or you gonna hate yourself when everyone else is using this next month and you missed it. Alright, let's go. So let me ask you something. How much time did you spend last week trying to post consistently on social media? Because if you're like most small business owners I talk to, here's what your week actually looked like. Monday, you sat down to create content, Spend 45 minutes staring at a blank screen. Scroll through your competitors' posts for inspiration, and 2 hours later you had nothing. Tuesday through Thursday, forget it. Client calls, emails, actual work you need to do to keep the lights on. Then Friday hits and you panic post some generic quote with a stock photo that gets 11 likes, and 3 of those are from your mom. And here's what makes it worse. Everyone's telling you just use ChatGPT, right? So you go to ChatGPT, you type in create me an Instagram post about my business, and it spits out this corporate-sounding garbage that sounds like it was written by a lawyer in 1987. No images, no hashtags, no strategy, and definitely no way to schedule it or actually make money from it. So you're stuck in this nightmare loop. Spend hours creating content, or pay $2,000 a month for a social media manager, or just give up and watch your competitors win. And that's exactly where I was for months ago, until I found the loophole. Okay, so here is what the big content agencies are doing that they do and want you to know about. They're not just using ChatGPT, they're using ChatGPT as the brain, but then feeding it into a tool that actually does the heavy lifting. It's called Predis AI, and I'm gonna be honest with you, when I first heard about it, I thought it was just another overhyped AI tool. Because here is the thing about us small business owners versus these massive marketing agencies. They have teams of designers, copywriters, strategists. We have ourselves a laptop and coffee we forgot to drink 3 hours ago. But Predis literally levels the playing field, and I'm about to show you exactly how. But first, you need to understand something that's gonna save you thousands of dollars, alright? Screen recording time. Watch this closely because I'm doing this in real time. Step number 1, you go to Predis AI. I'll drop the link in the description. Now, they have a free trial, which is what I use to test this ChatGPT business automation method before committing any money. Here's where it gets interesting, instead of just typing random prompts like most people do, I'm gonna show you the exact framework. Now watch this. I'm gonna paste in a prompt that I developed using ChatGPT. See, here's the hack everyone's missing. You use ChatGPT to create your strategy and your voice. I literally asked ChatGPT, create a 30-day content calendar for a small business coaching service targeting solopreneurs. Include post topics, hooks, and call to actions. It gave me this entire calendar in 90 seconds. But here's where Predis comes in. Okay, you're doing great, stay with me, because this next part is where it gets absolutely insane. I take just one of these topics from ChatGPT. Let's say how to validate your business idea in 48 hours. And I paste it into Predis with this specific instruction. Create 5 Instagram carousel posts about how to validate your business idea in 48 hours. Target audience, solopreneurs age 25 to 45. Tone, conversational and actionable. Include actionable steps, eye-catching visuals, and relevant hashtags. Now watch what happens. Look at this. It literally created 5 complete posts with professional designs that don't look like AI, copy that's actually engaging, my brand colors automatically applied, hashtag research already done, and multiple slides per post for carousel format. And that was 11 seconds. Now, I know what you're thinking, but doesn't it look generic? Watch this. You can customize literally everything. Change the colors. Swap the fonts. Add your logo. Rewrite any copy you don't like. But here's the beautiful part. You're not starting from zero. You're starting from 90% done. Write this down. The difference between spending 3 hours on content versus 11 minutes isn't working harder. It's working at a higher altitude. ChatGPT gives you the altitude, the strategy, the big picture. Predis gives you the execution, the actual finished product. Now here's where this AI content system becomes a genuine money-making method. I can take all 30 topics from my ChatGPT calendar and batch create an entire month of content. I'm running this right now and edited, so you can see 11 minutes and 23 seconds. 30 complete Instagram posts. Do you understand what this means? Okay, so I know what you're thinking right now. This is too good to be true. There's gotta be a catch. I thought the exact same thing, so let me show you my actual results. This is my business coaching account. Before using this method, I was averaging 247 reach per post, 1.8% engagement. And I was getting maybe 12 to 15 DMs per month from potential clients. Most of those were tire kickers. After 30 days of using this method, 1,847 average reach. That's a 648% increase. 6% engagement rate. And check this out, 90 for DMIs. 23 of those were qualified leads who actually had money. 7 became paying clients.